A very good morning to everybody. Today we are going to see the concept of the valency. It is an IIT topic. So my dear students, listen it very carefully and I think minimum 3 to 4 parts of the video will be recorded and I can send it to you. And tomorrow I can send the oxidation number. I think most of you got confused in the topic. For that, first from atom will have proton, electron, neutron. From that, I can record each and every point so that you can understand better. Because directly we can't go to the oxidation number as it is a base of the valency concept is a very base to know the oxidation number. Once you know the octet rule, valency, chemical formula, then only you proceed into the oxidation number. Even though I have taught so many concepts in the class, many of having doubt. To clarify the doubt, please listen it very carefully. And your next concept, skill set, is valency, which I discussed in the April month itself. Listen it very, very, very carefully. A very pleasant good morning to everybody. I have got a huge positive feedback from everybody. As a teacher, as a friend, it is very useful for me. You came into the block called the Ratan Tata IIT block. This block is dedicated for the IIT. The IIT have lot of colleges. IIT is a big institute. It will have the entrance examination after you got the 12th standard. I request everybody. I am preparing each one. As a teacher, I will not do anything that you are a bright student, you are a weak student. Everyone is a bright. According to the IIT, you should not mug up any concepts. There is no mug up. If you are a mug upping student, then it is difficult for you to crack. If you are a mug upping student also, I can give you the tricks. But try to understand the each and every concept very, very, very careful. This is a kind request. Consider me as a friend, then as a sir. Okay, you all know my number 9025526805. This is my number. Call me anytime regarding the chemistry. Okay, a very pleasant morning again. Okay, now we are going to see from the starting. Okay, wow. What is a matter? Everybody know. You is a matter, I is a matter. Your parents are the matter, phone is a matter. But the matter have two conditions. The matter has mass. Okay, well, mass means we can consider it as a weight. Now, for example, I am having the some weight. Okay, well, then it occupies some space. It occupies some space now. This is the second point. Let me give a quick example which I have taken in the class. A table. This is a table. You are sitting here. Okay. Now what will happen? For example, some student is sitting here and I am the sir. I want to occupy the same space at the same time. It is not possible because you sit in the chair already. It is not possible for me to sit at the same time. So I request each one to know this concept very easily. I am giving this trick for you. No? This person has a weight. Let me give a 30 kg. Even I am also the weight. I am trying to occupy the place where he is sitting, but it is not possible. What happened? He have to move out, and then only I can sit. That means if a space occupied by the person at this time, the same space is not occupied by the another person at the same time. This concept is called occupying the space. Now this person also have it. So this person is considered to be the matter, which I have taken everything. Now this matter, okay, now you know all the matter. Now this matter is classified into two types. Basically, there are many things. The matter is made up of lot of things. For the time being, consider the matter is made up of atoms and the molecules. ஓகேவா? மேட்டர்னா என்னன்னு தெரியுது. மேட்டர்னா எவ்ரி திங், இந்த உலகத்தில் எதெல்லாம் இருக்கோ அதெல்லாம் மேட்டர். அதுக்கு மாஸ் இருக்குது. மாஸ்னால் வெயிட்டு. உனக்குங்கிற ஒரு வெயிட் இருக்குது. அதே மாதிரி மேட்டர்னால் வெயிட் இருக்கும். இப்போ ஒரு சேர் இருக்குது, அந்த சேரில் நீ வந்து உட்கார்ற அப்படின்னா அதே டைமில் என்னால் வந்து அதே ஸ்பேஸ், நீ எந்த சேரில் எந்த இடத்துல உட்காந்துட்ருக்கியோ அதே இடத்த என்னால் ஆக்குப்பை பண்ண முடியாது. பிகாஸ் யூ ஆர் சிட்டிங் தர், நீ வந்து அந்த இடத்துல உட்காந்துட்டு. தட் மீன்ஸ் நீ வந்து ஒரு ஸ்பேஸ் ஆக்குப்பை பண்ணிட்ட, அதே ஸ்பேஸை அதே நேரத்தில் என்னால் ஆக்குப்பை பண்ண முடியாது. நீ எந்திரிச்சு போகணும், நான் அப்புறம்தான் வந்து உட்காரணும். This is the matter. Now, in the matter, there are lot of things. For the time being, for the flow, this matter is divided into two parts. அப்படி ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோ. மேட்டரில் என்ன இருக்குது? ஆட்டம் இருக்குது, மாலிகுல் இருக்குது. அது என்ன ஆட்டம் and the molecule? I can give you a small tip. The atom. For the atom. ஆட்டம்ங்கிறது smallest individual element. Smallest individual particle. Matter is made up of smallest individual particle. அதுதான் ஆட்டம்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஓகேவா? அப்போ ஒரு ஆப்பிள் எடுத்துக்கிறீங்க, அந்த ஆப்பிளை ஸ்லைஸ் போட்டு அப்படியே கட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டே வரீங்க. ஒரு பர்டிகுலர் பாயிண்ட்டை அந்த ஆப்பிளை உங்களால் கட் பண்ண முடியாது. அந்த பாயிண்ட்டை தான் ஆட்டம்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. த ஆட்டம் இஸ் வாட் மா? இன்டிவிசிபிள். Let me explain it in the English also. Take one apple, cut into different slices. At one particular point, you will not able to cut that apple, and that part is considered to be the atom. That is a very, very, very small part. You can't able to see in your naked eye also. That is called the atom. Hope you have understood the atom. So then what is molecule? The molecule can be divisible. The molecule can be separated. They can be break. That's it. அப்போ ஆட்டம்னா உன்னால் அதுதான் ஃபைனல் பார்ட். அதுக்கப்புறம் அதை உன்னால் உடைக்கவே முடியாது. மாலிகுல்னா we can break it. இதுதான் இந்த ரெண்டுக்குள்ள டிஃப்ரென்ஸ். ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு க்ளூவாக சொல்லணும்னா இதுதான் டிஃப்ரென்ஸ். ஓகேவா? லெட் மீ கிவ் அன் எக்ஸாம்பிள். H and the H2. ஓகேவா? H is called hydrogen and H2 is also called hydrogen. நல்லா பாரு, there is only one hydrogen. ஒரே ஒரு ஹைட்ரஜன் தான் இருக்குது. இதை உன்னால் என்ன பண்ண முடியாது? பிரேக் பண்ண முடியாது. லெட் மீ கிவ் அன் எக்ஸாம்பிள். யூ ஆர் சிட்டிங் ஹியர். நீ மட்டும்தான் அந்த இடத்துல உட்காந்துட்டு இருக்க. உன்னை உன்னால் பிரிக்க முடியுமா? உன்னை என்னால் ரெண்டாக கட் பண்ண முடியுமா? இட்ஸ் நாட் பாசிபிள். ஓகேவா? ஸோ வாட் இஸ் அன் ஆட்டம்? The atom is, it will contain of same atom, only one atom, which cannot be broken down into further pieces. Now we are going to the molecule. Now H2. நீயும் உன் ஃப்ரெண்டு உட்காந்துட்டு இருக்கீங்க. அப்போ என்னால் என்ன பண்ணலாம்? I can easily break between two. உன்னை ரெண்டு பேரையும் பிரிக்கிறதுக்கு நடுவில் ஒரு செவ்வரோ ஏதோ என்னால் வைக்க முடியும். Like the same time, this hydrogen can be break down into two hydrogen. In that H2, there are two hydrogen are present. So we are able to break down in H2, and this part is considered to be the molecule. Now this is a simple example. So H is called the atom. Because there is only one atom, we can't able to divide it further. But the H2 we can able to break down. We are able to break down into two hydrogens. So they are considered to be the molecule. Hope you have understood this concept very carefully, very easily. I think you will understand. Since there is only one atom, we can't able to break it. Here H2, inside the H2 there are two atoms are present, so that we are able to break down into two hydrogens separately, and that part is called as a molecule. Simply the atom is indivisible, molecules are divisible. Atoms cannot be broken down into further, but the molecule can be broken down into further pieces. I hope I have explained in the Tamil as well as in the English. Hope you have understood it. Okay. Now this molecule is break down into two parts, and the one part is called the element, and the second part is called the compound. Okay. This is the main point. These molecules are break down into two things, element and the compound. Now we are going to see what is an element. I can give you an example. H2, HCl. Okay, va? This H2 we can break down into two hydrogen. This HCl also we can break down into HNCl. So both we can able to break down. So these both are considered to be the molecule only. But in that molecule there is two classification. One is an element, another one is a compound. The element will have the same atoms. These both are same. But here the hydrogen and the chlorine, they are what? Different. Okay, va? So when we are able to break down the H2, it can be break down into same atom. They both are same. When there are same atoms are present, it can be called as an element. Okay, va? Now this HCl can be broke down as an hydrogen and the chlorine. They are not the same. They are what? They are different. So they can be considered to be the compound. I hope I have given you the lot of explanation regarding this. I can give you lot of examples, don't worry. Now the example H2, HCl. Okay, va? There is only one hydrogen atom is present. We cannot able to break down further, so we can call this an atom. Now this H2 we can able to break down into two hydrogen. These two hydrogen are same, so we can call it as element. This HCl also break down into H and the Cl, but they are different, so they are considered to be the compound. This is the first example. What is an atom? What is a molecule? How the molecule can be classified into two types, element and the compound. I can give you another one example also. Okay, wow. Now HClO3. HCl can be break down into H and the Cl. They both are different, so they are considered to be the compound. But let me take the O3. When they are break down, all are same. All are same only. All are oxygen only. So they are considered to be the what? Element. They are not the compound. They are considered to they are same atoms only present in an element. That is the clue. And all the atoms should be same only. Okay, well, and give an example like water. Now you have to answer. Water is an element of the compound. We are able to break down into three parts: hydrogen, hydrogen, and oxygen. What is the main condition for the element, right? All should be same. Okay, but here only two are same, another one is different. So the rule fails. Even though these two are same, ரெண்டுமே ஹைட்ரஜனாக இருந்தாலும் அதுக்குள்ளே ஒரு ஆக்சிஜன் இருக்குது. ஸோ மொத்தமாக பார்க்குறப்போ there are two different atoms are present. One is hydrogen, another one is oxygen. They are different. Hydrogen is not same as oxygen, so they are considered to be the compound. Don't ask me, sir, these two things are same. We can call it as the question is not given H2, the question is given as H2O. There is one oxygen also present with the hydrogen. So in the whole there are two atoms, ஒரு hydrogen ஒரு oxygen, ரெண்டு hydrogen ஒரு oxygen. அப்படி பார்த்தாலும் hydrogen வேற oxygen வேற. There are two different atoms are present in the same compound. This is called a compound. I hope you will understood the concept very clearly. Let me give an example. HNO3. By the question itself, H is different, N is different, O is different. Though we can call it as compound. That's it. That's it. Let me give an example like CH4. Carbon is different, hydrogen is different. So we can call it as compound. Okay. Now Cl2. Both are Cl only. They can be break down into Cl and the Cl. So they are called as an element. Okay. I hope a lot of examples have been given for this element and the compound. Now you can able to understand what is an atom, what is an ether, and this will come under the atomic structure part 1. Okay. Now you have to know what is an atom. Atom can be break down. It is indivisible. Simply when I give one atom, it can't be break down. But inside the atom, there are so many particles are there: proton, electron, neutron. We can going to discuss in the further video. Thank you.